you ever wondered what lurks within your favourite beauty products? A question that might seem simple, but the answer is far more complex and, quite frankly, a little alarming. Commercial beauty products are a cocktail of ingredients, many of which we struggle to pronounce, let alone understand. Some of these ingredients, while sounding scientific and important, can often be harmful to our skin and overall health. Take parabens, for instance. These are widely used as preservatives in cosmetics to prevent the growth of bacteria and mold. But did you know that parabens can mimic estrogen in the body, potentially leading to hormonal imbalances? Or what about phthalates, another common ingredient? These chemicals are used to increase flexibility and softness of plastics in products, but they've been linked to a variety of health issues, including endocrine disruption and reproductive toxicity. Then there's the notorious sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS. This is a surfactant that creates that satisfying lather in your shampoo or cleanser, yet it's known to irritate the skin, eyes and lungs, and it can also interact with other ingredients to form a carcinogen. And let's not forget about artificial fragrances, the secret ingredient that makes your products smell divine. These are often composed of thousands of chemicals, some of which can trigger allergies, asthma attacks and headaches. These are just a few examples of the hidden truths lurking in your beauty products. Now, we're not saying that every product on the shelf is a ticking chemical time bomb, not at all. But it's important to be aware of what we're putting on our skin, the largest organ in our body, absorbing these ingredients day in and day out. So, next time you pick up that beautifully packaged product off the shelf, take a moment to flip it over and read the ingredients. You might be surprised at what you find. So, is there a safer, more natural alternative to these commercial products? Welcome to the fascinating world of homemade cosmetics, where your kitchen transforms into a beauty lab. Imagine this. The same ingredients that nourish your body from within can also work wonders on your skin and hair. That's the fundamental principle of organic natural beauty. It's all about harnessing the power of nature, using simple, wholesome ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Let's delve deeper into the science behind it. The effectiveness of homemade cosmetics lies in the potent natural compounds they contain. Take honey, for example. It's a humectant, meaning it attracts and locks in moisture, making it a wonderful ingredient for hydrating masks and moisturizers. Then there are fruits like strawberries and lemons, packed with alpha-hydroxy acids or AHAs. These are natural exfoliants that help to shed dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. And how about the good old cucumber? It's rich in vitamin C and folic acid, which soothe inflamed skin and reduce puffiness, making it a popular choice for homemade eye treatments. Then we have the oils: olive, coconut, almond, to name a few. These are emollients, which means they soften and smooth the skin, and they're perfect for creating lip balms, body butters and hair treatments. Now let's touch on the role of antioxidants, found abundantly in ingredients like green tea and berries. Antioxidants fight against free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage the skin. Incorporating antioxidants into your beauty routine can help protect your skin and keep it looking youthful. Of course, the science of homemade natural cosmetics doesn't stop here. There's a world of ingredients to explore, each with its unique properties and benefits. And the beauty of it is that you're in control. You know exactly what you're putting on your skin, and you can tailor your products to your specific needs and preferences. In a world where commercial beauty products often come packed with unpronounceable ingredients, the appeal of homemade cosmetics is clear. But the question remains: are they truly beneficial for our skin? To answer this, we turn to the experts. Dermatologists explain that the effectiveness of homemade beauty products can vary greatly. It all depends on the ingredients used, the preparation process, and, most importantly, the individual's skin type and needs. Let's take acne, for instance. One of the most common skin conditions, acne can be a result of various factors, from hormonal changes to diet. Many homemade remedies, such as masks made from honey or green tea, can help soothe inflammation and reduce redness. However, it's essential to remember that while these natural ingredients can indeed provide relief, they aren't a cure-all solution. For more severe skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, the experts advise caution. While certain homemade products can offer temporary relief, they are not a substitute for professional medical treatment. It's critical to consult with a healthcare provider before trying out any homemade treatments for these conditions. Despite potential limitations, dermatologists reveal the many benefits of homemade beauty products. They offer control over what goes into the product, allowing for personalization based on individual skin needs. Moreover, they are free from harsh chemicals found in commercial products, reducing the risk of skin irritation. However, the experts also warn about potential risks. Homemade cosmetics lack preservatives, meaning they can quickly become breeding grounds for bacteria if not stored correctly. It's vital to use fresh ingredients and store the products in a cool, dry place. In summary, homemade beauty products can be a great addition to your skincare routine. They allow for customization, are free from harsh chemicals, and can help address common skin issues. However, they are not a one-size-fits-all solution and should be used with caution, particularly for more severe skin conditions. Now let's dive deeper into the world of natural beauty remedies. Our next chapter, herbs. Herbalism, a tradition as old as humanity itself, is the art and science of utilizing plants for their therapeutic properties. And when it comes to beauty, it's an uncharted territory brimming with potential. Delving into the heart of herbalism, it's fascinating to see how it intertwines with skincare and beauty. Just like a painter's palette, there's an array of herbs that cater to different skin types and address a myriad of skin problems. Take, for instance, the humble chamomile. This dainty flower is not just a calming tea ingredient, but a skincare powerhouse. It's packed full of antioxidants that aid in mitigating skin irritants and have a soothing effect, making it a go-to herb for sensitive skin types. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the vibrant calendula, a radiant bloom that's more than just a pretty face. It's an antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial herb that's excellent for healing wounds and soothing conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Then there's the multifaceted lavender, a herb that's synonymous with relaxation. Beyond its calming aroma, lavender has the potential to diminish acne, lighten skin, and reduce wrinkles. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties make it a great addition to your beauty arsenal, especially for those with oily or acne-prone skin. And let's not forget rosemary, a herb that's not just for your kitchen, but for your beauty routine too. It's known to stimulate blood circulation, which can promote hair growth and a healthy scalp. Its natural antiseptic properties are a natural disinfectant for our skin and hair. The list goes on, with each herb offering its unique blend of benefits waiting to be harnessed in your homemade beauty treatments. The beauty of herbalism lies not just in the diversity of the herbs, but also in their versatility. With the right knowledge, you can create personalized, effective, and safe beauty products right in your own kitchen. Intriguing, isn't it? But there's more. Let's learn a little about cosmetic chemistry. Now, let's delve into the scientific side of homemade cosmetics. Just like a delicious meal, the perfect homemade beauty product is all about the right balance of ingredients. To create effective and safe natural beauty products at home, we need to understand the chemistry behind them. Every ingredient we use has its own unique molecular structure, and these structures interact with each other, as well as with our skin. It's a lot like cooking. You wouldn't throw random ingredients into a pot and hope for a tasty meal, would you? The same applies to homemade cosmetics. Think of emulsions, for instance. These are mixtures of water and oil, two ingredients that usually don't mix. But with the help of an emulsifier, we can create a stable blend. This is the foundation of many beauty products, from creams to lotions. Then we have the pH value. Our skin has a slightly acidic pH, around 5.5. So to maintain the health of our skin and keep it balanced, the products we apply should ideally have a similar pH. Essential oils are another common ingredient in DIY beauty products, but remember, they are potent and can cause skin irritations if used undiluted, so always dilute them with a carrier oil. Preservation is another crucial aspect. Although your homemade cosmetics are natural, they can still go bad. To extend their shelf life, you can use natural preservatives like grapefruit seed extract or rosemary antioxidant. And don't forget about safety. Always do a patch test before applying a new product all over your skin. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition, consult your doctor before using any new ingredients. Cosmetic chemistry can seem complex, but with a little knowledge and careful practice, anyone can master it. It's about understanding the ingredients, how they interact, and how they can benefit our skin. It's about creating beauty products that are not just natural, but effective and safe too. With all this expert advice, you're well on your way to becoming a kitchen cosmetologist. So why should you consider making the switch to homemade beauty products? Well, for starters, homemade cosmetics offer a fantastic way to harness the power of nature, while also giving you control over what you're applying to your skin. When you're the chemist in your own beauty lab, you know exactly what's going into your products. No hidden chemicals, no mysterious ingredients, just pure natural goodness. And let's not forget the allure of personalization. With homemade cosmetics, you can tailor your products to suit your specific needs and preferences. Need a moisturizer for your dry skin? Whip up a rich, nourishing cream with shea butter and coconut oil. Looking for a toner to combat oily skin? Create a refreshing blend of witch hazel and tea tree oil. The possibilities are endless and exciting. Now you may be wondering about the safety of these DIY concoctions. Rest assured, when done correctly, homemade cosmetics are generally safe. The key here is knowledge and proper handling. Before you dive into the world of DIY beauty, it's critical to educate yourself about the ingredients you'll be using. Understand their properties, their benefits, and any potential side effects. Remember, natural doesn't always mean safe. Some essential oils, for example, can cause skin irritation if used undiluted. Others may not be suitable for pregnant women or people with certain health conditions. So always do your research, use ingredients judiciously, and when in doubt, consult with a professional. Furthermore, cleanliness is paramount in the DIY beauty world. Always use clean tools and containers to prevent contamination. And since homemade products lack the preservatives found in commercial ones, they have a shorter shelf life. So, make them in small batches and use them up quickly. In the end, it's about taking control of what you put on your skin and reaping the benefits of nature's bounty in the most personal way possible. So, are you ready to embark on your do-it-yourself beauty journey? Check out these natural beauty product recipes for an easy start.